I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ports and capabilities. Look at both the monitor and TV for HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or VGA. Once done, pick the simplest cable, HDMI for audio and video combined. Use an active adapter if you need DisplayPort to HDMI or DVI. Make sure to check each device's max resolution and refresh rate so you choose a cable that supports it. If either device needs power for an adapter, plug that in now. This prevents later bandwidth. You should power off both devices first, then connect the chosen cable firmly, no loose plugs. Once connected, power on the TV and monitor, then immediately set the TV's input to the correct port using its input selector. If you're using an adapter, attach it to the source, PC, or console before connecting to the TV to avoid hot plug detection issues. Make sure cables are routed to avoid strain. Once both devices are on, they should detect a new display signal automatically. You now configure the display mode in your operating system. Choose Duplicate, Extend, or TV only, depending on how you want to use the monitor and TV. Make sure to set the TV's resolution and scaling to match its native resolution and a supported refresh rate to avoid blur or black bars. If there's no signal, reseat the cable and try another HDMI port or cable, then reboot both devices. If audio doesn't route, select the TV as the output device in sound settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.